Hi guys, this is Sadik from Webdom.com, and in this video, we'll show you two methods using which you can easily remove the recent section from the left hand side of the Reddit homepage or any other page. So as you might be aware, at the very max, you could just collapse this section, but it will still be there and anyone can easily expand it and get hold of all the forums which you are viewing. So how to hide this? Well, if you go to the account settings page and privacy tab, there is an option to click remove the history, but even this option is not working. No matter how many times you remove the history, the recent app screen will still be there. So keeping this aside, in this video I'll show you two methods using which you could get this job done. The two methods are using the inspect element tweak and via the uBlock origin. Do note that in case of uBlock origin, you can still bring back the recent section as and when required, but if you are using the inspect element tweak, it might not be possible to bring back. So make sure to refer to the section which correspond to your need. First off, I'll show you the uBlock origin method and then I'll show you the inspect element tweak. So let's get started. Regarding the uBlock origin, you will have to install it from the extension store for the Google Chrome or Firefox. Once you install the extension, go to the Reddit page and click on the settings icon of the extension from here. This is the element picker mode. Click on it and then select the recent tab, and after that hit the create button at the bottom right, and once that is done, a filter has been made and it will then hide the recent screen from the left hand side of the Reddit. As you could see, it's now hidden and there is no coming back. Even if you do a refresh, or let's say let's go to any other forum. Let me go to the Windows forum and let me show you that as well. You will see that it's no longer there, it's hidden. And let's try to open it in a new page as well. Let's say Reddit Mac OS in a new tab, and let's have a look. So as you could see, it's not even there in the new tab as well. So the recent section has been removed. So what we did is let me show you once again. We simply made a selection from here, hit this button, and after that a filter has been made, and thanks to that filter, the recent section has been removed from the Reddit page, from all the page of Reddit and from all the tabs as well. Now if you want to bring it back, then what you have to do is click on the uBlock extension, go to its setting page and just remove both of these lines. These are the lines for the filter of Reddit. As you could see, the first, this line, and the second line, ignore these two lines. This is for some other filter that I'm using. Have a look at the line number 4th and 5th. These are the two lines. So simply remove both these lines, and once that is done, hit the apply changes button and now do a refresh. And after a refresh, you will see that the option is back. The recent is now back, and we have got all the previous recent forums page over here, and it will now remain there. If you do a refresh over here as well in a new tab, let me show you. So we have got the recent back, but if you use the inspect element tweak, then currently I don't know how to bring back the recent. So if you're trying out this tweak, then do keep in mind that you might not be able to bring it back. If that's well and good, then let's get started. So first and foremost, what you have to do is right click on an empty region on the Reddit page and click on inspect. Then click on the arrow over here and select application. After that, expand the local storage from here and then select Reddit. And now you have to choose the flag name Reddit subreddit store. This is the flag name, Reddit subreddit store. I've given the name of the flag in my guide as well. Let me show you my guide. This is the name, recent subreddit store. So this is the key name, recent subreddit store. Once you have got the key, right click on it and select delete. This key is now removed from this page, and now you may close it and do a refresh. After the refresh, you will see that the recent is now gone from here. As you could see, it's no longer there. Currently, I am not aware of any method. If you are using the inspect element, then how you could bring back this recent screen via the inspect element method, that I am not aware of. So if you right click on an empty region and choose inspect, and then go to the application tab once again, then choose Reddit, then you could see that the flag is missing from here. So one thing you might do is you may go to the starting point of my video and then make a new flag, a new key, and add that same value, and maybe then that will be back. But for now, it's not working in my case. That is why I am always using the uBlock original method because it's quite easy to bring back the section as and when required. But if you don't want that section back, then you could easily use this method and get the job done as well. So guys, these were the two methods using which you could easily remove the recent section from the Reddit homepage or any other forum page as well. If you have any queries with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section. And thanks a lot for watching.